The world premiere of the Mitsubishi D electric crossover concept at the Japan Mobility Show marks a bold new chapter for Mitsubishi Motors, showcasing how the brand envisions the future of electric mobility. Presented in a striking silver color, this 2026 concept reflects a perfect balance between advanced technology, rugged crossover DNA, and futuristic design language. The D electric crossover concept is not just a show car, it is a clear statement of Mitsubishi's commitment to electrification, innovation, and sustainability while staying true to its adventurous spirit. From the very first look, the exterior design grabs attention with its sharp lines, muscular stance, and aerodynamic profile. The silver body finish enhances the futuristic appeal, highlighting sculpted surfaces and bold proportions. The front fascia features a modern interpretation of Mitsubishi's signature design, with sleek LED lighting elements and a closed-off grille that emphasizes its electric identity. Large alloy wheels, high ground clearance, and robust cladding hint at crossover capability, making it suitable for both urban environments and light off-road adventures. Inside, the Mitsubishi D electric crossover concept takes a major leap forward in terms of cabin innovation. The interior is designed around the driver and passengers, focusing on comfort, connectivity, and smart functionality. A wide digital dashboard integrates a fully digital instrument cluster with a large central infotainment display, offering seamless access to navigation, vehicle data, and entertainment. Sustainable materials are used throughout the cabin, reinforcing Mitsubishi's eco-friendly approach. The spacious layout, flat floor design, and flexible seating arrangement make the cabin feel open and practical, ideal for modern lifestyles. In terms of powertrain, the D electric crossover concept is expected to feature a fully electric drivetrain with advanced battery technology. While exact specifications have not been officially confirmed, the concept is believed to support long driving range, fast charging capability, and efficient energy management. Mitsubishi's expertise in electric and hybrid systems plays a key role here, promising smooth acceleration, quiet operation, and responsive performance. The electric motor setup is also expected to deliver instant torque, making daily driving and highway cruising effortless. One of the standout features of this concept is its advanced driver assistance and safety technology. Mitsubishi showcases next-generation autonomous and semi-autonomous driving features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance systems, and intelligent parking support. These features are designed to enhance driver confidence and safety while reducing fatigue during long journeys. Connectivity is another strong point, with over-the-air updates, smartphone integration, and smart vehicle-to-device communication expected to be part of the package. The Mitsubishi D electric crossover concept also reflects the brand's focus on sustainability beyond just zero-emission driving. The use of recyclable materials, energy-efficient systems, and eco-conscious manufacturing ideas highlight Mitsubishi's long-term vision for greener mobility. This concept hints at future production models that could bring similar design and technology to the global market, especially as demand for electric crossovers continues to rise. Overall, the Mitsubishi D electric crossover concept showcased at the Japan Mobility Show is an exciting glimpse into what the future holds. With its bold silver design, advanced electric technology, innovative interior, and strong focus on safety and sustainability, it sets a new benchmark for Mitsubishi's upcoming electric vehicles. Welcome to Auto Insider, your trusted destination for the latest car news, reviews, concepts, and future mobility updates from around the world. If you enjoyed this video and want more exclusive automotive content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Insider, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.